Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. Today I have a project share, and it's a fun share where I came up with this idea to use the dies that I have to create party decorations. Look at this. I made some graduation pics for my cousin's daughter who graduated high school, and I took the diamond rosette, the cloudy doily, as well as the graduation shakers, the cap, and then the graduation words. And I pulled out Erica's alphabet, the uppercase and number alphabet set, and I used the numbers for the 2026. I thought they were pretty fancy letters, and instead of using my die cut machine, which probably would have been a little bit faster, I just love the detail on the alphabets. So that's why I went with that. So as you can see, I did three kind of different styles. I did a rosette where it's all gold, as you can see here. And then this flower actually comes from my stash. I have this flower that I really wanted to use because it was bigger, and I wanted the white to stand out. So I did use that, but I used Erica's flower die set for the leaf. I really like that leaf, and I thought it would be perfect to add. Now for these, I did do, like I said, the gold rosette, the gold cap, and then took the grad word and just backed it with black to kind of pull this black out, and then the grad with the gold. And I love the way it turned out. I did add a little details to these tassels with some gold stickles, and on the back I took the smaller size cap and I cut it out in gold. But the other thing I didn't realize was that when I cut out the 2026, it was black, and so the black design on the back would make it not stand out. So what I thought I would do was I wanted to use this glitter pin that I got. You guys, I have been making some money over on TikTok, not a lot. Enough though that I am receiving free sample offers, and this was one of them. It's by Shuttle Art, and it's a pack of glitter pins, which I absolutely love, and I've been using them for journaling. And so I pulled out the gold one and I did a little bit of outline on the numbers, which I still need to finish on the other two of the other set. But I cut out one of the circles from Erica's Essential Circles, as you can see here, and I added it to the black. Now this one I didn't, because the white, obviously, you know, the black will stand out. But then I took black paper, and the paper that I use, which I forgot to share, are from Michaels. They have these graduation pack. I have the 2023 and the 2025, but I just used the printed part, did not use the numbers, so it worked out perfectly to also match the colors that my cousin wanted. And I just layered up the flowers. I added some of this gold on this set, which I absolutely love how they turned out. And I just used these popsicle sticks. I think they're meant for like candies, and I used to buy them at Joann's. You can get them at Walmart, Hobby Lobby usually sell them. And then I have these three. Where's the other one? So now I have these three. Now for these three, I decided to use the printed paper with the designs and use gold for the doily part here, and then layer up again the paper and then use gold for the flowers. Now for these centers, instead of using these little gold balls, which I have here, and I took forever to find them, and I finally found them, so I bought enough to have stashed away. What I did was I took these giant rhinestones that I have in my stash. I'm almost done with them, you guys, but the package also comes with these smaller ones, and so I'm going to also add some more little gold there. I don't know that I'll do it over here. I might do it over here with the gold, but we'll see if it looks good. But that's what I did with these, obviously the opposite. And then on the back side, these actually worked out way better because I was able to use the black cap, and it stands out pretty well against the gold. And then the white flower obviously pops out, and then the black leaves, and I love the way that looks. Now I just need to go back and do a little bit more of the doodling. As you can see, I just did a little bit. It doesn't stand out too much, but once you see it in person, it does stand out quite a bit. So I'm not going to do it to the cap because I just want to leave that as is. But I love the way these turned out, and it was a fun way to use my dies. and incorporate them into my daily, personal life instead of just making albums or embellishments for swaps. Now I can, create projects that I can share with my family and they can, display them. So I'm hoping she'll like them. And I don't know if I need to make more, so I'll probably have to message her real fast and ask if she needs more, but definitely a fun way to, incorporate our dies into party decor, decorations, a little something extra to our party picks instead of just ordering them online. But obviously it's time consuming and who knows if they're going to keep them but my family's Mexican, so if we see something we like, we take it and keep it in our house. So that's the nice thing about, seeing something that you really like. So hopefully they like it and they'll take it home and keep it, until it falls apart and then they can toss it out. At the end of the day, it's just paper. But anyways, I thought I would just share it, and I'll link everything in the description box. I'll see if I can add the link for the glitter pins if you guys want to try those out. I really like them. They're pretty cool and they work really well. So definitely check those out. And don't forget to check out ScrapDiva Designs online. Sign up for their mailers so you get direct links to our projects from the design team, as well as when there's sales, notifications when stuff comes back in stock, all the good stuff. And definitely check out the design team. They're always making awesome projects. Hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration, you guys. They are just killing it daily. I am like, never ceases to amaze me what else we can come up with, So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys will come back soon for some more videos. Bye.